With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given that all objects referred to the subsequent problem lie on the principal axis. Now, if the light is incident on surface 1 from left, the image formed after first refraction is definitely. So this is our surface 1, this is our air, this is our water. So we have been asked about the definite. So whether it would be real for the real object or virtual for the real object, or real image for the virtual object, or virtual image for the real object. Now, first of all, this is a spherical surface, so we'll be applying the formula for the spherical refraction. So it would be equals to mu2 by v minus mu1 divided by u equals to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now mu2 is the refractive index of the medium in which the image would be formed. So in this case, this would be our mu2, and mu1 in which the object is kept. So let's say the object is kept here, so we can say that it would be mu1. Okay. Now so clearly the refractive index, we can say that our mu2 would be greater than mu1, because for refractive index of air has the least refractive index, it is equals to 1. For any other material, refractive index would be greater than 1. So we can say that mu2 would be greater than mu1. So if we just rewrite this expression, mu2 divided by v, this would be equals to mu1 by u plus mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. So mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now for this surface, where would be the its radius of curvature line? It would be on the left side. That means if we measure this, it would be opposite to the direction of the incident ray, so it would be negative. So we will be placing a negative sign, minus r. Why negative? Because it would be lying on the left side. Now we just rewrite this expression. We just take this negative, or we can just rewrite this as to be mu1 by u minus mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. So this term would be positive. Now this value would be positive. So it is just a magnitude, because we have already taken the negative sign. Now if the object is real, if object is real, so if the object is real, so where would the object be placed? So object would be placed on this end. Okay, it would be placed somewhere here. So for the object placed on the left side, what would be the u? U would be negative, because it would be measured on the opposite to the direction of the incident ray, so it would be negative. So for if the object is real, so we can just rewrite this expression as mu2 divided by v. For v, we don't know anything, so we are just starting from here. It would be equals to, now mu2, this u would be negative, so we can say that minus mu1 divided by u minus mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now we can take negative to be the common, then it would be mu1 by u plus mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now mu2 minus mu1 would be greater than 1. Okay, or we can say that this value would be positive, this would be positive. So this is the whole mu2 by u value is turning out to be negative, because the bracket term is positive, so it will be multiplied by negative. So this value would be less than 0, or we can say that it would be negative. That means v would be negative. V would be negative. What does it mean? That means it would be on the same size as that of object. So for example, this is our object, so image would also be on the same side. Let's say this is our image. Okay, so we need not to tell where it would be, whether it would be here or in front of the object or back side of the object, but we can say that definitely it would be on the left side. Okay, so and if the object is our virtual, if object is virtual, so if the object is virtual, that means our u would be what? U would be positive. Okay, u would be positive. Then we can just rewrite the expression as mu2 by v. This would be equals to mu1 divided by u minus mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now for this result, we cannot say, so it would be depend whether this value is greater than 0 or this value is less than 0. That means it is a positive value or it is a negative value. That solely depends upon the values of mu1, mu2 and this u and r. It would be dependent upon these values, basically u and r. So we cannot say that whether the object would be this image would be real or virtual. So what is the thing which we can definitely say? Can we say that real for a real object? This is wrong, because for the real object, we cannot, real object, it would be this virtual. This image would be negative, that means virtual. So virtual image for the real object, this is correct. Real for a virtual object, no. For the virtual, we cannot definitely say anything. So this would be wrong. So the correct option would be the B option. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.